How to create a patent invalidity search report. In this video, we will walk you through the meticulous process of creating a patent invalidity search report, step by step. Let's start with step 1, define the scope. It's crucial to establish the boundaries of your search, including specifics like the title and number of the patent, the names of the inventors or assignees, and the date of filing. Understanding the report's objectives is also essential to ensure the search remains focused and purpose-driven. Moving on to step 2, conduct the search. Once the scope is set, the next step is to perform a thorough search using specialized patent databases, non-patent literature sources, academic publications, and other relevant sources to identify prior art. Now let's delve into step 3. Analyze the prior art. This phase involves a detailed examination of the prior art uncovered during the search, comparing the patent's claims with the features and disclosures found in the prior art. In step 4, we determine claim weaknesses. Based on the analysis, we identify weaknesses in the patent's claims related to novelty, non-obviousness, or insufficiency of disclosure, forming the basis for assessing potential invalidity. Moving on to step 5, prepare the report. Organize the results and insights from the search and analysis into a structured report, including essential sections like the title page, executive summary, introduction, methodology, findings, claim-by-claim analysis, conclusion, recommendations, and disclaimer. Before finalizing the report, step 6 involves review and verify. Conduct a thorough review to ensure precision, comprehensiveness, proper citations, and adherence to formatting or style guidelines. Finally, in step 7, share and discuss. Once the report is ready, share it with relevant stakeholders and schedule a meeting or discussion to present the findings and recommendations, facilitating decision-making in patent-related matters.